Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 2 from section 1.2 of College Algebra 2E by OpenStax. This question asks, when can you add two exponents? All right, well, an exponential expression is something like x squared. So let's write that down. Exponential expression. We'll say example, something like x squared, okay? And then if we have, say, x squared times x cubed, then we can add the exponents, the 2 and the 3, by the product rule. So then we can add the exponents, we'll say by the product rule. And so x squared times x cubed is x to the 2 plus 3, and that makes x to the 5. So the two bases have to be the same. And here the base is x. Right, so the two bases have to be the same, and then when we multiply them, we add their exponents. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.